What's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today I just wanted to show you guys a little preview of the V2 tail lights from High Rep Sports. These here are $300 with my promo code. You can go ahead and email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com, as well as the V1s, the original ones that I had on here. I have them on promotion as well for $300 through High Rep Sports. We have partnered together to get these at a good price and shipped from US. So without further ado, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on how they look, turn signals, reverse, brake light, and then just show you little differences as I was doing the install on where you're going to see the main differences between the V1 and V2. Installation is almost identical, so I didn't want to do a full-blown video on how to install, just cover just the most important differences, so that way you guys can determine which one is the one that you want. So here are with the lights on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the turn signals so you guys can see how that looks. Alright, so one of the major differences is that this foam piece here doesn't come attached. It comes with the kind of like a 3M adhesive here, so you're gonna peel off. What I did is that I went ahead and I positioned it first just to make sure which side is left side, which was right side, the correct foam, before even peeling it. So and this is how it goes. So once you have it positioned, peel the back, go ahead and you position it again, and you go ahead and you press until it's completely sealed. This is a waterproof foam. And then the other difference is, I'm going to show you here, they provide an extra wire. All you're going to do is cut off, on each side, and then this red wire here that you see here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to strip it. You're going to strip it on this one, and you're going to strip it on the big side piece, and then you're just going to connect it, using this wire across. And that's basically it. Everything else is plug and play. You go ahead and you connect this for the reverse, this one into the harness that's on the vehicle, and this goes connected to the other side of the big headlight, which matches, the male and female side, and that is it. So this here is sequential turn signals as well. What I like about these and the difference between the other ones is that the turn signals is on the top versus the other ones come from the bottom. So this matches the front headlights, where the turn signal is on the top. Really nice. They are brighter than the V1s, and it's really nice. It's a really nice touch. I'm gonna go ahead and do brake light so you guys can see how that looks. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse so you guys can see. It's a little bit different, but everything is a little flavor. What I like about these here is that they're much fuller in lighting. They still have kind of that retro look, and versus the V1s, they look more modern, more classy, but they lack some type of fullness in the lighting. They're both great options. Again, they're $300 shipped through High Rep Sports with my promotional code. You just gotta email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you the reverse light so you guys can see. Alright guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this up, I just want to show you guys a side profile of the tail lights. These do wrap a little bit around on the side, unlike the V1s, which are just focused in the front area, which are being fixed on the version 3s. If you guys haven't looked at that, look at my community post. We're taking pre-orders for those as well. The version 3 is from the same manufacturer as the version 1s. So we have ramped up the design. We have added some side lighting on it. So check those out as well. So this is a side for the V2s, and we're just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. I always answer. Once again, if you need more information on these tail lights, either write on the comments or email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com. I will gladly answer all your questions. Once again, $300 ship for the V1s and the V2s. These here are the V2s. So hope you guys have a blessed day, and until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.